This dance is called Llamame, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on August 2022. There are 32 count, 4 whirls, high beginner level line dance. There are 2 tags, 2 times tag. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Rocking chair and pedal turn. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, pedal turn. Step forward, quarter turn to left, recover. Step forward, quarter turn to left, recover. Section 2, Botafogo, right, left, and then quarter just book turn to right. Cross, side, recover, cross, side, recover, and then cross, quarter turn to left, to right, step back, side, cross over. Section 3, rock, recover, close or together, right and left, and then quarter pivot to left, cross over inside. Okay, so rock forward, recover, close together, rock forward, recover, close together, quarter turn to left, recover, and then cross side. Section 4, cross behind and then sweep out, cross behind, quarter turn to right, step forward, and then half pivot to right, step forward, half turn right, recover, and then step forward, close touch. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? There are 2 time tags after wall 1 and after wall 5. Only quarter turn just box. Okay? Cross, quarter turn to right, step back, side, cross over. Okay, or with the count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial for the song Llamame Line Dance. I hope you like the step, I hope you like the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.